The factory that created millions of vehicles also hid a secret that would soon shake the automotive world. This is where the Volkswagen scandal truly began, and the story starts inside this old industrial giant. Engineers discover software behavior, a system designed not to improve performance but to cheat emission tests. A silent trick hid deep inside the engine. Software detected when car was being tested. It reduced emissions only for that moment. On the road, pollution levels a genuine environment threat. The company lost 25 billion in a single day. Investors' support were destroyed. Public trust collapsed, and automotive industry faced a financial earthquake. Investigation revealed the millions of cars contained the software. This was a global technical and financial crime. The defeat device bypassed environmental laws. It became one of the largest software frauds in history. The software made car appear eco-friendly without reducing performance. The company profited billions from this false green image. This was not just a technical trick but a financial scheme. Volkswagen faced the massive fines worldwide. These penalties were not limited to single country, but billions of dollars were drained from companies' accounts. The punishment shattered the company's financial pride. In the United States, a record 15 billion was imposed. This decision reshaped the automotive industry regulations. Volkswagen felt the financial shock for years. Legal pressure surrounded the company from all sides. Billions of affected individuals filed lawsuits in Europe. Controversy reached the international court. The company's expensive rose to dangerous level. Financial pressure continued to mount. Recalls, refunds, and repairs cost millions. The company enters a severe financial crisis. The scandal shocked its entire budget structure. CEOs and the top executives were aware of the defeat devices. Engineers had warned about the risk in internal meetings. The company hid the software from legal authorities. After the truth, company had to restore its image. Global trust had to be rebuilt. Billions were spent on the rebranding. A new strategy was adopted to save the company's future. Dieselgate damaged the global diesel market. Stocks of major companies were affected. Investors lost millions and the industry confidence after the crisis. Volkswagen changed direction. They shifted from diesel to electric vehicles. This was an attempt to secure their financial future. The company adopted a new strategic plan. This case remained the largest automotive fraud in the industry. Volkswagen greed damage across the world. The scandal proves the financial deception is eventually exposed, and the truth always comes to light.